Welcome back to Sailing Grenada and the Grenadines. In our last video we had a great sail from Carriacou up to Union Island. Union Island is the first in the St. Vincent and the Grenadines chain, so we had to check into customs. After getting checked in, we went to Clifton Harbor to check out many of the shops and restaurants. And later that afternoon we checked out Happy Island for sundowners. The next morning we picked up anchor and headed to our next destination, Salt Whistle Bay on Mayreau. It was just a quick 5-mile sail north of Union Island. The last time we were in Mayreau was in 2001. We were happy to see that it hadn't changed a whole lot, but it was definitely busier. Salt Whistle Bay is one of our favorites. It has a gorgeous white sand beach lined with some palm trees and a few beach bars. I didn't take a lot of video on Mayreau, but I did finally get the drone up in the air to get some awesome shots of Salt Whistle Bay. We finally had a day where the winds weren't blowing 25 to 30 knots. After flying the drone, I tracked down some of the crew hanging out at a little beach bar. The little beach bar also serves lobster dinners, so we made reservations for the whole crew that night. We went back and grabbed the rest of the crew and headed into dinner about sunset. Man, we had a tremendous lobster dinner with plantains, sweet potatoes, and coleslaw. Man, it was one of those days where you just had to pinch yourself and say, does it get any better than this? Sunshine, white sand beaches, palm trees, lobster dinner. Wow, what a day. Hey, thanks again for sailing along with us. Make sure to check out our next video as we head to the Tobago Keys.